Hey everybody, I hope you guys can hear me today because I have my baby in the room with me. But I received part of my first order from Southern Peach, say clothing brand online, e-commerce brand. And so that would consist of lots of biker shorts, which have now been my staple for the summertime. I live in Georgia, and it's still hot. They have a nice little tag on here with their social media. I'll tag them all in this video. So this was a size large, bicycle short in brown. I also got it in this peach color, blue and green, and black. And that's all that's in, oh no, sorry. This is something else. But I got it in peach, blue, and green. I'm going to open all of these and then show them to you real quick. Alright, I'm back. So I have these in the brown, like I said, peachy color, forest green. They're really soft, and so I'm excited to see how they fit on me. And then this navy blue. I have a lot of biker shorts and leggings from Old Navy, so if they fit like their cotton ones, I'll be happy. But we'll see. I'll do a try on bit after this. And then I got my first bodysuit. I've never worn bodysuits before. Oh god, it's a thong. So this is their, I believe it was their cross bust or something like that. Bodysuit. It is cotton feeling. It's not elastic like spandex or anything like that. It has snaps for the crotch. Am I gonna wear this? I guess I should put like a thong on before wearing this. What do y'all do? I have no idea. I don't know if I should try it without first or with. So this is that. I don't know if I should have gotten an extra large or a large, but I got a large. And I know these are supposed to look nice and fitted, so I'm hoping if I pair this with like a really nice skirt, it will still look good and I don't have too much mommy pud showing. But these are the items that's come so far, and once I get the rest, I'll add them to this video. We'll have one nice unboxing video and then a try-on video as well to go with these. So far, everything is super soft. I'm very happy with that. They're soft to the touch. The leggings do not look see-through, so I'm hoping that they cover everything, because even though I like to look, oh, they're a little see-through, but we'll see how I look with them on. Hopefully my butt's not stretching them out that thing. They shouldn't be. I've been trying to walk and make them not do that, so we shall see. More in the next part. See y'all later. Alright, so that was the crisscross top. I had to tighten sleeves. It holds, but if you got big boobies, I would probably still wear something to hold you up. Otherwise, you might be okay. I like the way this feels. The thong part's not too bad. Now I'm going to try on one of the shorts. Here's the pink, peachy colored ones. Okay. These are the bicycle shorts. They're more like Bermuda length. They're pretty long, which I like because I'm a mama. I would not personally wear this bodysuit with it because my mom pouch shows. But give me 1 second and let me change tops. And so this is how I would probably be out and about in it. I feel a little bit covered, so that's good. My booty looks good. They're nice and long, so I'm not showing my booty out to all these little kids. Feel good, feel confident. Wearing a plain tank top. Now, with the weather getting colder, I'd probably just wear like a t-shirt, because in Georgia it's still pretty hot once the sun comes out. But I'm liking this. I'm going to try on the other 3, and I'll be back for each one, so you can just see the color on my melanated skin. But I might be wearing these pink ones all day. It's the one in forest green. I hope this translates on camera. I had to turn on my extra light. Same deal, nice and long, nice coverage, booty looks good, no complaints, loving them, and they're super soft like I said before. And then, let me be right back. Now I took a chance on these brown ones, hoping that they would be dark enough for my melanin skin. I think I'm alright. I don't think people will assume that I'm like booty naked. What do y'all think? I'm always afraid that it blends in with my skin, but I think it looks like, they look like pants. I think I'm okay. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Should these just be for home, or can I run an errand in it? Either way, they're staying with me. My mom would want these. She loves blue. Yep. These look good. Nice and soft. Booty check. Booty looks good. Alright. I'm happy so far. This is part 1. See you guys for the next ones. Bye-bye.